What's up, y'all? I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Happy Black Friday week, happy holiday week, happy Thanksgiving and stuff of that nature. So the holidays coming up, as you guys know. And a year back, I was able to get my hands on a few authentic sneakers that were great deals for me. So normally when I buy sneakers, I buy them a year or two ago, and then I hold out to them when they're actually trending. I hold on to them and then wear them probably 2 3 years afterwards, so people could be like, hey, where'd you get these from and stuff, so you can get the full effect from the shoes in itself. So the shoe that I have is actually the Air Max 1 Crimson Tide. As you can see, very hot shoe, very popular shoe a few years back. You can't really go wrong with these shoes. So we're gonna actually get into the unboxing and review of the shoe, and also the on foot review as well will be in this video as well. So if you stay tuned, you'll definitely be able to see all of that. Don't hesitate to subscribe, like, comment as well if you have any questions. And that's the certificate of authenticity for the shoe in itself. So every shoe I buy is very authentic, so I don't actually get you to go get shoes that are not authentic. So I'll be leaving a link in the description below on where you can get something similar to this, because I don't believe these are out now. But feel free to go in the description below to get the link if you're interested in getting a pair of Air Max 1 of any sort. All right, there's different colorways as you can see, but those are very fire. Let's get into the video. All right, guys. All right, this is the box in itself of the shoe. Like I said, I got these a few years back. I believe it were $130 retail at the time when I got them, and obviously you won't be able to get them for that price nowadays. They're probably a $200 shoe in the reseller market. So that's the box. That's the authentic barcodes on it. Let's open the box in itself. And when you open the box, this is what you have. You have these babies right here. And now let's get into the shoe in itself. I actually still have the Nike tag hanging on it. And these are actually super fire. The toe box in itself is purple leather. As you can see, orange, yellow with the double swoosh Nike sign. As you can see, there's a yellow and orange swoosh sign over there. There's the little sportswear tag in the side of it, and obviously the Nike Air in the back of it as well. So that's how cool it is. And obviously in the toe box, these will crease very easily because it's satin toe box. So if you look, I've only worn these probably twice, if not 3 times, and you could already start seeing the creasing on it. You could see that they've already worn. And the bubble is actually orange, and like you see, the bottom is a little dirty, but because I wore a few times. And the laces that it comes with are super cool. It has yellow and purple tips on the white laces. You could actually rock these with black laces as well, you know, green laces, different type of laces of any sort, but these are what they came with, and that's how cool it is inside of the shoe in itself. Let's get into that as well. I took off the padding. There's the Nike Air sign. That's what the tongue says, AM1, Air Max 1. And that's the inside of the tongue. On the side, there's actually the QR code with all the necessary Nike authentication information right there as well on the shoe. The front actually has a purple, orange, and Nike swoosh sign. And it says more air on the tongue. That's how cool these shoes are. You can't really go wrong with these whatsoever. That's the other side of the shoe. The little details, like the little yellow laces hoop right there, is also cool, but I didn't lace mine all the way to the top because I didn't feel the need for that. And you can't really go wrong with these shoes. Like I mentioned earlier, The link for these shoes for something similar to this will be in the description below. You might not get this exact Crimson Tide shoe, but I'll definitely help you out and get you a link that you can actually get you a pair of different colorways of that same realm, to say the least. You can get your shoes authenticated at Get Sold. I typically tend to do that. As you can see, there's no paint on any of my shoe whatsoever. There's no added paint. There's no like stroke paint, brush strokes in any way, shape, or form on the sole of the shoe, and the leather, and anywhere. Like, so pretty much this shoe is a gem. So you can't really go wrong with that. And that what makes it super cool is the satin right here on the toe box right there. These are very fashionable shoes. You can wear these to the barbecue, enjoy your time with them. I plan on doing so, just haven't had time to wear them. I only wore them twice this past summer, so, and I've gotten quite a lot of compliment on these. You can't go wrong with MX ones in any way, shape, or in any colorway of sort whatsoever. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. The on-foot review part of the video is coming up next. Don't hesitate to like and subscribe and comment as well. These are the MX 1 Crimson on-foot review after the unboxing, of course. Like I mentioned before, I normally buy my sneakers and hold on to them for a few years before I bust them out. As you can see, these are in perfect and pristine condition. These are authenticated as well. This is a perfect summer shoe. You can't really go wrong with those. I think I only wore these twice, to be honest with you. The multicolor aspect of it makes it be able to go with various outfits, black, yellow, you name it. You can go with various outfits, you know, purple, black, yellow, you name it. You could really dress it up how you want, and obviously the shoes will pop. And that's why I got them. You can see the MX1 bubble right there. The back is even more crazy because with the MX1 logo in the back, those are Crimson Tide, I believe. And that's pretty much that in a nutshell. And the toe box is leather. The fabric on top is satin. The black fabric is satin. So that actually gets wrinkled very, very fast. So you have to pretty much know what you're doing when you wear these to actually extend the life of these shoes, so they don't crease up on you much. So I don't like to wear crease protectors with my shoes because I just wear my shoes. The only different process I do is to actually hold off on wearing them for a few years so I can bust them out when they're no longer, you know, trending. So people could actually get the shock value for, oh my God, these are nice and stuff like that. So if you're into stuff like that, like I am, don't forget to subscribe and also hit me up with a comment. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you have. Link for these shoes will be in the description below, or anything close to these shoes. If I find anything relatively close to these shoes, I will definitely leave the link in the description below so you can actually get you a pair as well. Alright guys, enjoy. Have a good day. Peace. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Appreciate it very much. I like the fact that Stanley's Review is building a little community with you guys all in mind. However, we need you guys to subscribe to the channel because the goal at hand for the end of this year is to be at 5,000 subscribers, and we're a little short of that. So feel free to hit the subscribe button, and you never know exactly what video I'm going to be doing next, what kind of review video I'm going to be doing. Don't hesitate to comment as well. Any suggestions of any product that you guys want me to review, feel free to put those in the comments. Don't hesitate to like. And I want you guys to enjoy, and we can continue building this community together. All right, guys? Enjoy. Peace.